Hello everyone, welcome back on Nested Mango. I am Ramkesh Singh, CEO and founder of Nested Mango. Yes, I was the founder, and now there is a good news that I wanted to announce, but in the open environment, not in the like we were used to do our tutorials. So basically, this is our park where I live, and it is really open environment. I love to be here. I am in the morning for running, so I just wanted to share the things. So basically, Nested Mango YouTube channel, when I was in the third year of BTech, then I started to just whatever I was learning. At that time I was learning the computer programming, so I wanted to just include on YouTube so that whenever I need, I just access. And there was not any very much plan to just make the monetization or any future goal, but we did it. So in September 2015 we have started this channel, and after that in 2025 in September last 30 we registered Nested Mango is a Nested Mango private limited company. Yes, and it is really very exciting for me, and there were so many things were going on. I was planning this thing from few years, but now I think I was at the point where I thought that this will be a better choice, or might be in the future we don't get the name, because when we were registering this company, so there were so many things were going on, like we were not getting the proper name, there was someone registration, so we just pay some amount to check that it is feasible to get the Nested Mango, and finally we get that proper name, that is the Nested Mango. So we have the trademark, we have the company registration, and I'm really very excited to share with you that we did it because you were the supporter, and I want to thanks everyone who were joined me, who were believe me, and this journey going to be you can say on a turn where we are going to perform so many stuff under the umbrella of the Nested Mango. So let's talk about what we are going to do in the company. So as you know that ARCore is providing the education. So we just started, and then we move on the Udemy, and now we are don't want to give up on our education, our training. So we are just going to take it on the next level, that we are going to provide the live training. Previously it was on the YouTube, it was on the Udemy, but now you will get the live training. So I will share the details in the description. So somebody, because there are so many people that are fresher, students, developers and innovators watching me. So basically, in case anyone want to learn live classes, so we are going to start where will be the game development classes with the Unity, there will be XR training, there will be 3D modeling, and we have the team basically not all the team will be provided, but yeah, basically we have the team of the developer, we have the team of the 3D artists who will provide the training, as well as we will work on the client projects, we will work on our product. So we are going to do lots of stuff. So in case if you are interested in learning, so you can DM me in case you want some product in the game development, in the XR or any 3D work, you can just reach out to me. And what happened in last 6 months, so basically I was getting lots of invitation from the college, universities, so I just went there and trained lots of students live. It will be a better choice that we start the live classes, because in the recorded video there are so many stuff that is not clear and student cannot ask, because I get the feedback on the Udemy. So I think we have to take on the next level where we can provide the live training where people can ask. So this time we are launching Unity game development classes, and we are starting XR training, we are starting 3D modeling. So any one of them, if you are interested, so please DM me. And currently price we have just decided for each course we are taking the $100. So Why we choose $100? Because we just analyze, and $100 is not really very big amount for all over the world. So that amount can work, and in case in the future we are also going to see that how it is going to work, so might be we play around with the price, but currently we have decided this price. Last but not least, so any student can join us on the training. Anyone on the training we can choose for the internship, or anyone want to apply for the internship, so please you can apply on the mail. And for those who want any product in the game development, in the XR, on the 3D, so please reach out to me. I will also provide the email ID, as well as you can also check out me on the Discord. And thank you so much for your love and support. And if you want to much more interesting stories about behind the nested mango, so please ask that why we choose the nested mango, because it is going to be a very interesting journey and interesting story. And you may ask that why I'm just choose like blogging style, because I have also one blogging channel, Indian Logs, where I post the blog. So this is also a very tremendous journey. So I love blogging, so I thought that let's share this idea and this achievement, this news, big news, with the blogging style. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you, and thanks again for supporting me, loving me. I will see you, might be in some work, might be in class, or might be in your internship. So bye bye, take care, see you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.